Welcome back. Let's start with a sketch on the top plane. Now let's activate the Partial Ellipse tool from the Ellipse submenu. First we choose the center point and the major axis. Notice my feedback. It tells me that the major axis is now horizontal. Let's left-click to accept. Now we define the minor axis. And lastly, the start and end points of the ellipse. Right-click, select to close the tool. Notice that even though the feedback told us our major axis was horizontal, the horizontal relation was not added, just as with the full ellipse. So let's constrain our partial ellipse. We'll add a horizontal relation. This point and the origin point. Add a coincident relation. Now let's apply some dimensions. First, the major axis, 130 millimeters. Okay. And the minor axis. And let's make the minor axis 50 millimeters. Okay. This distance here is going to be 35 millimeters. Okay. And last dimension. This distance will be 40 millimeters. Okay. Sketch is in black, now fully defined. Let's exit the dimension tool. This concludes our second lesson on defining ellipses.